see?
Iceberg, right ahead!
Thank you.
Iceberg, right ahead!
Hard to starboard!
Hard to starboard, sir!
Hard over! Hands out over, sir!
Note the time, enter it in the log.
What was that, Mr. Murdoch?
Iceberg, sir. I put her hard to starboard and reversed the engines, but she was too close.
Find the carpenter. Get him to sound the ship.
Yes, sir!
Oh, glory be! Come on! There we are! Wait, Michael! Here we are! Hold on, hold on now. We're going to play a game. We'll play it properly. Now, Michael, go and focus.